Over the last year, I've been slowly upgrading my home Mac desktop setup. One thing that I was crucially missing was a good quality, comfortable office chair. If you're like me, spending hours at your home desk doing some work, you know how crucial a good chair is. So I decided to go for something premium but affordable. Check out the Hbada E3 Pro Ergonomic chair. This amazing chair is designed specifically for people who sit from 8 to 10 hours a day. In this video, I'm going to unbox it, explore the features, demonstrate how I set it up for my workspace, and share my honest opinion about the Hbada E3 Pro after several months of usage. If you're experiencing back pain or looking to enhance your work from home setup, this video is made for you. The Hbada E3 Pro came in a very big box. Free shipping, by the way, which is awesome. Inside, everything is well packed. The base, wheels, seat cushion, backrest, headrest, armrests, lumbar support wings, and the built-in footrest. All necessary tools are also included. I won't bore you with a full assembly tutorial, but it took me about 20 minutes solo. Snap the wheels on, attach the gas lift, bolt the seat to the base, then clip on the backrest and armrest. The detailed instruction is included. The assembly process is very easy and everyone will be able to complete it without any special knowledge or tools. And by the way, all the necessary tools are included with this chair, so you have nothing to look for. Just open the box and assemble the chair. Now let's talk about the main features, because this is where the Hbada E3 Pro really stands out. First, the build quality is really on the top. The chair is very solid and heavy. Everything feels very well built and well designed. It's made mostly of metal, solid plastic, and a very cool thin mesh material that is breathable and comfortable at the same time. The biggest highlight for me is the lumbar support. This chair uses a 3-zone elastic lumbar system with floating wings, and you feel the difference immediately when you sit down. Instead of just pushing against your lower back like a basic chair, it actually wraps around your waist and supports you dynamically. As you move, lean forward, sit upright, or recline, the lumbar support moves with you. After long editing sessions, my lower back feels noticeably less heavy, and that alone has made a huge difference in my day-to-day comfort. The headrest is another strong point. It's fully adjustable in multiple directions. You can move it up and down, forward and back, and adjust the angle. Whether I'm sitting upright, focusing on work, or leaning back watching videos, it actually supports my neck properly instead of just being there for looks. It is especially useful if you spend a lot of time at your desk without realizing how tense your neck gets. Then there are the armrests, which are extremely adjustable. They move up and down, forward and backward, left and right, and they even rotate. This makes a big difference for a desktop setup because your arm position changes depending on whether you are typing, using a mouse, editing, or even gaming. The seat itself is made from a breathable mesh material, and this is one of those things you don't fully appreciate until you sit on it for hours. There is no heat buildup, no sweating, even during long sessions. The seat depth is also adjustable, which helps you fine-tune the chair to your height so your legs are properly supported without cutting off circulation. One feature I didn't expect to use as much as I do is the reclining function combined with the built-in footrest. The chair reclines back to around 140 degrees and the footrest slides out smoothly. It's perfect for short breaks, leaning back between tasks, or just relaxing for a few minutes without leaving your desk. Once you get used to this, it's very hard to go back to a chair without it. What really ties everything together is how adjustable the Hbada E3 Pro is. You can customize the lumbar height and depth, headrest position, armrest movement, seat depth, and recline tension. Once you dial everything in for your body, the chair almost disappears. It just supports you naturally while you focus on your work. For my home Mac desktop setup, where I switch between different tasks throughout the day, that level of adjustability is extremely valuable. So after using the Hbada E3 Pro as part of my upgraded setup for about 3 months, here's my honest conclusion. This chair isn't just about comfort, it's about long-term health and productivity. Compared to standard office chairs, it feels like a completely different category, and compared to ultra-expensive ergonomic chairs, it delivers a very similar experience at a much more reasonable price. If you're serious about upgrading your home office, editing setup or workstation, I genuinely think investing in a good chair like this should be one of your top priorities. Your desk can look amazing, but if your chair isn't supporting you properly, none of that really matters. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out the Hbada E3 Pro for yourself. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.